You're welcome in your maths and I got a new problem. Here we are going to prove some formula of AP. So for proving this, let's take an S1 which is the sum of the AP, which is A, then A plus D, then A plus 2D till A plus n minus 1D. So this is whole an AP, okay, n minus 1D. Okay, so why n minus 1D? Because in the second term you can see, and the third term there is 2D. So in the n term there is n minus 1d. Now in the S1, remember that this term is L or nth term or the last term of the AP. We can write it as L. From backward direction we can also add it. So L minus D. Then the third term from the last is L minus 2D till A. Okay, from the last. Okay, so it becomes L minus n minus 1d and it gives the value of A. And now when you add these two equations, you get 2S1 is equals to A plus L, and when you add these two terms you get A plus L again, and when you add these two terms you get A plus L again. So A plus L repeat n times, so 2S1 is equal to n A plus L we can write it as. Now S1 is equal to n by 2 and A plus L. And you know what is S1? That's the sum of the AP, and you have found that. And what's the L? The last term, it's A plus n minus 1d, and when you substitute A plus n minus 1d instead of L, what you get? So try to substitute, so it becomes A plus n minus 1d, and when you solve it you get n by 2 bracket 2A plus n minus 1d, and you have proved all formulas. Isn't it very easy? Hopefully you get it. So don't forget to like and subscribe.